Hi folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. So recently LinkedIn's added a new feature that of course they don't tell anybody about yet, but I'm going to tell you about it now. And what it is the ability to take and create a customizable resume from your LinkedIn profile. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here under more, you're looking at my LinkedIn profile, click on more, build a resume. Now, by the way, save to PDF, I used to like that because it was full, it was rich in content, it had lots of the sections. The new version, man, they've trimmed it down to little or nothing. However, build a resume has potential. Let me show you how to use this. So I'm gonna click on build a resume. All right, so to create a new resume, you click new resume. And there's my new resume, and it's marked as saved. So if I go back to LinkedIn now, and I go back to my profile, and I click on more, and I click on build a resume, there's the resume I just saved just now, okay? Now I can edit this, and I can go to edit. Now, a couple things. I can change this around a little bit. I can change my email address, my phone number, my website. I can even change the location. Heck, I can change my name if I want to. And I can turn on or turn off my LinkedIn profile and hit save. Now, what changed? Something changed here. Oh, my website. And save this. Oh, location, I lost that. There it is, and save. Now, summary section. Here's the pencil here. Now, it's a little buggy, I think. It doesn't quite work right. You are only allowed, I did some testing, you can only have about 1,990 characters. However, in your summary, which this pulls from in your about section, and this pulls from the about section, you can have 2,600 characters. So be very purposeful here, and it wants it to keep it to 3 or 4 bullet points. Well, I sure as heck have way more than that. I know for a fact that when you go to edit this, it's going to want you to shrink it down to something smaller. So be very careful that you don't trash this as you try to edit it. Furthermore, if you built your LinkedIn profile out correctly and your summary/about section clearly says who you are and what you do or what to do, you shouldn't have to edit that much. But anyway, you have the ability to edit it and you can hit save. Now, further down, experience section. Again, I can hit the pencil here. I can delete this job if I want to. I can edit this. Now, I haven't tested, but again, it wants it to 3 or 4 bullet points. I can save it or delete it. This next section down here, all of these different jobs, I can either delete them if I want to. Let's see what happens if I delete this out. Delete this one. Delete. I can delete this one. Delete. Now, by the way, just to show you, make sure I'm not making a mistake here, I deleted those 2 from my resume, but they are still on my LinkedIn profile. So anyway, you can go through here and you can adjust this and only put on this LinkedIn resume what you want to show your target audience, that recruiter. Those recruiters, those hiring managers. I really don't recommend that you start a whole nother process of rebuilding or building LinkedIn resumes differently than your other resumes, which is way different than your LinkedIn profile, my opinion. But anyway, I can go down through here. I can add other experience, get rid of other education, get rid of education, delete licenses and certifications that I want to not show. Now here's something I'm a little not excited about, that I'm only allowed to have 10 skills. Now I'm not real sure. Hang on, let me go check. So it pulls these from my LinkedIn profile. The first 3 are what I have pinned to the top of my LinkedIn profile. The next 7, let me show you, are coming from the industry knowledge from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, management or consulting. Absolutely, it's pulling the first 7 from the industry knowledge box under skills. You can only have 10. So if these are not the ones that are the most important to you for your resume, then I recommend get rid of the ones that are not the most important and add a new skill that you want to show for your target audience that this resume is for. And then you can hit save. And then honors and awards is the last section that again shows up on this resume. And and then when I'm done, I can go more. I can download it as a PDF, make a copy of it, and maybe make some adjustments to it, which again, I am not an advocate of you managing multiple resumes. And if I'm sick and tired because it ain't right, boom, hit the delete button. And then I can go back to LinkedIn, come back home, and again, if I want to find it, go to my profile, click on more, build a resume, and there it is. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope this idea about using LinkedIn resumes curated from your LinkedIn profile could be helpful to you.